In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix MLB Ballpark app not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can give a first restart to your router. Next, completely close the MLB Ballpark app and reopen it. If the problem persists, check for any updates available for the app. Navigate to Play Store or App Store, search for the app MLB Ballpark. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Outdated app versions can often cause performance issues. Also, you can restart your phone as this will clear temporary glitches affecting the app. Next, clear cache. For that, launch settings, go to General, go to iPhone Storage. Find the app, launch it, click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. If you are using Android device, press and hold on the app, select the option App Info, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Also, you can check your device software update. If any new updates are available, just update it. Likewise, you can check out server status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in MLB Ballpark server status and search for it. Head over to the website Down Detector. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. Lastly, you can completely delete the MLB Ballpark app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are some fixes. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.